Hey everyone, what a wonderful day I just had. This day cost absolutely no money. A lot of the things I enjoy doing are basically free. Put on my exercise clothes. I had to drive to the mountain, so I needed gas for that, but I could have easily gone to a different mountain nearby. Would have cost nothing. I'm out in the wilderness. The air is so fresh, so peaceful. You hear birds chirping, water in the background. Beautiful sunshine today as well, even though it is cold. So I did some physical activity on the way up in addition to walking. Did a lot of body weight training. And now I'm doing a little running down the trail. I'm trying to get to the bottom, base camp. So I'm just bounding off stones, over trails, across streams. This is absolutely heaven to me. I'm so happy when I'm outside in nature, exercising. Got some jump rope in at the top, next to a beautiful waterfall. So this day is absolutely fantastic. Go home shortly, have a shower, have a great meal. I haven't consumed any food today, except for water, well, no calories, and black coffee. So only a few beverages. So imagine how good that meal is gonna taste later on tonight. You know, you get active, get out in the wilderness, you forget all about eating sometimes. I often don't plan it, it just happens. Getting active, getting moving, it feeds your brain with endorphins. And as they say, hunger is the best sauce. So I'm almost at the bottom, feeling so good.